If I told people I was a cleaner, they'd say a phrase to me that you probably heard many times yourself. Oh, you're just a cleaner? And it used to drive me insane. It used to drive me insane. And it still does. It still does. And maybe this is something you've told yourself. Maybe this is something someone said to you and it just grinds your gears, it just winds you up. Because we both know you are not just a cleaner. We know that that's not the case. We know that you're a business owner as well. We know that cleaning is a respected profession. Think about it. Think of everything that needs to get cleaned. Everything you see gets cleaned. Every road, every street, every house, every car, every business, everywhere needs cleaning. And what would happen if there weren't cleaners? Look at the impact the pandemic's had. So if anyone ever says to you, are you just a cleaner? Correct them. First of all, cleaning is a respected profession. Cleaning is incredibly in-depth if you're doing professional cleaning, which we all are. There's a lot to know. This isn't like someone pushing a mop around in their own home and sticking some bleach down the toilet. This is professional cleaning. It's very different. And secondly, the majority of the people watching this right now are business owners. You're a business owner. You might run a cleaning business, but damn, you're a business owner. And we know how stressful running a business is. And let me tell you, running a cleaning business is one of the hardest service-based businesses that you can run. It really is. So if someone says to you, oh, you're just a cleaner, correct them. And don't for 1 second ever devalue yourself and feel like you're just a cleaner.